Hello everybody! Today we are going to Lisbon from London Stansted with Ryanair. Lisbon is the capital of Portugal, the most western country in the European mainland. The flight will take only 2.5 hours from Stansted. Once arrived in Lisbon airport, there are many forms of transport to get to the center. You can take bus, train, and taxi, or even Uber had a strong presence in Lisbon, but today we are going to take the train. To use the public transport in Lisbon, I would recommend to use Viva card, which is a contactless prepaid travel card. If you need more information about this card and how it works, you can have a look at the link below. Our hotel is located close to Rossio station on the Green Line. To go from the airport, we have to go on the Red Line and change at Alameda to the Green Line southbound. The trip should take about half an hour. Lisbon Metro is quite clean and spacious, not the usual feeling when traveling around a capital city public transport network. The metro is widespread and covers most of the city. Oops, we just got off at the wrong station. That's not a problem. We can just walk from here to our hotel. It should take around 10 minutes. Walking through this station, you can see a good example of how clean and well kept the stations are in Lisbon. We are now arrived at the hotel, but the check-in time is around 3 o'clock, so we decided to go for a walk before the rooms get ready. So our plan for today, we're going to Commerce Square, then carry on to the famous Tagus market for the food. Then after that, we're gonna try out the pastel de nata, which is known as Portuguese egg tart at Mantegaria, which is this place is recommended by our hotel receptionist. Along the way, we are going to check out a unique Portuguese architecture, which decorates the building with tiles and painting in pastel color. The public transport in Lisbon at first impression seemed very convenient. Buses, trams, and the metro, coupled alongside the strong Uber presence, make it a breeze to navigate the city, all at a relatively cheap price when comparing to London. We are now arriving at main square of Lisbon, which is called Commerce Square. The square is built on the site of Old Royal Palace existed before it was destroyed by an earthquake in 1755. The square is located next to Tagus River, and it used to be a main port for commercial import and export. We'll walk along the river to the famous Tagus market, which is a great place to check out some local delicacy at a slightly higher price, but it's worth to check it out. Finally, it's time for my sweet treat.
Two egg tart and two latte.
For here?
Yes.
The weather is pretty bad, so we decided to go back to the hotel. Thank you for watching.